Skustack for us has been game-changing. It has really made the team a lot more efficient. From the moment that they go to the bin, they pull up the pick list on their tablet, they go ahead and they go to the bin, find the items that they need, bring it back, place it into SKU blocks. It's really a seamless flow, and that's what we've been looking for. Hi, my name is Mark Furmanski, part owner here at Priority Fulfillment. We own and operate this 3PL where we have clients and we are clients. So our brands are clients of the fulfillment center as well. We're currently across 20 different platforms, internationally and domestically. We're on everything from TikTok Shop to Wayfair to Walmart, eBay, Amazon, multiple Shopify sites. And having it all synced through Sellercloud has made our life a lot easier. While we were looking for an integration initially with the software we were working on, we realized that it made sense that with Sellercloud working and functioning so well for the core of our business, utilizing the additional tools would only make the relationship friendlier. So from Sellercloud to SKU Blocks to Skustack to ShipBridge, it really just made sense to keep it all in-house. We tried Skustack and we started with one client. We transitioned one of our own brands over. And once we were able to see how great it really was, how efficient it made the system, we went ahead and pulled the plug on everything. So for us, it's very important to have visibility and transparency in anything we do. Our clients ask for it and we ask for it internally. Skustack has really helped us in being able to track every single item from the bin it originates in to the box that it ships out in. We know who picks the item, where the item is at all times. We're all humans, we all make mistakes, we all leave things aside. But having a seamless system that allows you to constantly track and know where the last scan came allows us and has always allowed us to find the items if they go missing, if they get misplaced within the warehouse. The second we started implementing each one of the different tools that we currently use, whether it be Sellercloud, Skustack, SKU Blocks, or ShipBridge, we have seen the efficiency improvement.